So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see what are the classes used to handle and manipulate the strings. So let's start. So basically there are three classes. First is string buffer, and string builder. So these are the three classes used to handle and manipulate the strings. That is nothing but the sequence of a characters. We will see the difference of these three. So let's start with the first class, that is nothing but the string. So as we discussed in previous video, if you have not watched that, I will give that link in the description and you can go and watch there. So in that video we have discussed that why strings are immutable. Okay, and we have detailed discuss about that, so you can go and watch the video. So the first point is only that these strings are immutable. Okay, string class is a immutable. That means once a string object is created, it cannot be changed. We cannot be do any modification in that string. As a result, it create a new object in the memory. The original object will not be updated or modified. A new object is created for the new data. Okay, that is meant by the immutable. Okay, so string class is an immutable class. Okay, so next is string class is a thread safe. A thread is basically, it is a lightweight process. Okay, and or we can say it is the smallest part of the process that allows a program to operate more efficiently by running a multiple tasks simultaneously. It used to execute the multiple tasks simultaneously. Okay, that is meant by thread. And safe, it is basically uh, what is meant by thread safe. Then thread safe is basically uh, we cannot get the corrupted data in the string class. That's the basic agenda about the thread safe. We will see the thread topic in detail in further videos. It is just an overview about the thread. Okay, so we will see the detailed video in further classes. Okay, so the next class is the string builder. So what is meant by the string builder? String builder is an another class, and basically string builders are mutable. That means we can modify the string after the creation. Okay, in string we cannot update the string after we initialize the string for a particular variable. We cannot update that string but in string buffer we can modify or update the string after the creation. It allows the changes of a sequence of characters without creating a new object. Okay, string buffers are thread safe. Same as string class, string buffer class is also a thread safe class. Okay, so next class is string builder class. So string builder class is also a mutable class. Okay, that means like string buffer, we can update this string after the creation of a object. and it also allows the changes in a sequence of a characters without creating a new object basically. Okay, the string buffer class is a thread safe class, but the string builder class is not a thread safe class. Okay, this is the main difference between the string builder and string buffer. String builder is a non-thread safe class and string buffer is a thread safe. Obviously, the string buffer is a thread safe class. That means it is a synchronized class. It is a synchronized class. Okay, and string builder is a non-synchronized class. That means in string buffer class, we cannot get the corrupted data. But in string builder class, we can get some corrupted data as well. Okay, let's talk about the performance. Okay, so performance of the string buffer is slower than the string builder. Okay, because it is a thread safe class and it is the synchronized. Okay, due to the synchronization, the performance of the string buffer gets low. Okay, that means it have less performance than the string builder. String builder has more performance due to the avoidation of the synchronization. Okay, string buffer methods and the string builder methods are same. There is no change between the methods. That means whatever the methods are present in the string buffer class, the same methods are present in the string builder class as well. But the difference between the string builder and the string buffer is the string buffer is a synchronized method. Okay, and the string builder is a non-synchronized method. Okay, that's the difference between the string builder and the string buffer. Okay, so let's see the demonstration of it. So I will create a string buffer class. String buffer s1 is equal to new string buffer. So this way we create a string buffer class in the Java. We create a string builder class. String builder s2 is equal to new string builder and what's the way. So I've created a class of string buffer and as well as string builder. Okay, both the methods present in string buffer are also present in the string builder class. Okay, so as you can see, if you can access through the object reference s1 dot all the methods of the string buffer class. So you can see append. Append means to add the data in, add the string into the string buffer class, or capacity. What is the capacity? We can check that. Compare to method, delete method, hash code, index of, insert, many more. Same methods are present in the string builder class as well. Let's take s2 dot. So you can see same methods are there. Append, capacity, compared to, delete, index of insert, and length, and many more. Substring. Okay. But the string buffer methods are the synchronized methods, and string builder methods are non-synchronized methods. Okay. So I will give the proof of it. So for that, we have to go to the JRE system library. In that, we will go to Java base, and in that we will go to java.lang because they are present in the java.lang package. Now we will search here string builder or string buffer. Okay, so as you can see, string buffer and string builder are present here. So we'll open this. So you can see the file of string builder class. Okay, so this is the class, and as well as we open the string builder as well. So these are the class of string buffer. So as you can see, all the methods are synchronized. Okay, so compared to method is synchronized, then length method is also synchronized, then all the methods are the synchronized method. But in string builder class, you cannot see any a synchronized method. Okay, so you can see it is not synchronized. Okay, so you can see append is not synchronized. So all the methods are non-synchronized methods in the string builder class. So this is also non-synchronized. Okay, so this is all about the string classes. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.